Dear friends and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important ninth class science chapter number 10 exercise question answers that is gravitation. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ದೊರೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10 ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಜ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. State the universal law of gravitation. Right answer. According to the universal law of gravitation, every object in universe attracts every other objects with a force known as gravitational force. It states that force F be the force of the attraction between two objects, and M, capital M and small m masses, and is given by F is equal to capital G capital M into small m divided by r square. Here capital G means constant known as universal gravitational constant. Question number 2. Write the formula to find the magnitude of the gravitational force between the earth and an object on the surface of the earth. Right answer. Let F, capital F be the force of attraction between earth and an object on its surface. Again assume that M be the mass of earth, small m be the mass of the object on the surface of the earth. Formula for the magnitude of gravitational force between the earth and an object on the surface of earth is given by using universal law of gravitation. So required formula capital F is equal to capital G small m capital M into small m divided by r square. On page number 136, question answers. Question number 1. What do you mean by free fall? Right answer. Gravity of earth attracts every object towards its center. When an object is dropped from a certain height, it begins to fall towards earth's surface under the influence of gravitational force. Such a motion of object is called free fall. Question number 2. What do you mean by acceleration due to gravity? Right answer. When an object passes freely towards the surface of earth from a certain height and then its velocity changes. This changes in velocity produces acceleration in the object, which is known as acceleration due to gravity, denoted by letter. The gravity of acceleration due to gravity is G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. On page number 138, question answers. What are the differences between mass of an object and its weight? Right answer. Mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in the body. Second one, it is measured of inertia of the body. Third, it is a constant quantity for any object. Fourth one, it is a scalar quantity and only has magnitude. Fifth one, SI unit of mass is kg. Weight. Weight is the gravitational force acting on the body. It is measure of gravity. Third one, weight of an object is not a constant quantity, it's different at different places. It is vector quantity as it has both magnitude and direction. Fifth one, it assign it Newton, same as assign it of force. Question number 2, why is the weight of an object on the moon 1/6 of its weight on the earth? Right answer, gravity is directly related to mass. The more mass an object has, the more gravitational pull it has. Now the moon is significantly smaller than the earth. Gravity is dependent on the size of the object. Your weight on the moon is 1/6 of that on earth because the moon has 1/6 the mass of earth. On page number 141, question number 1, what is difficult to hold a school bag having a strap made of a thin and strong string? Right answer, it is difficult to hold a school bag having a thin strap because the pressure on the shoulders is quite large. This is because the pressure is inversely proportional to the surface area on which the force acts. The smaller is the surface area, the larger would be the pressure on the surface. In case of a thin strap, the contact surface area is very small, hence pressure exerted on the shoulder is very large. Question number 2, what do you mean by buoyancy? What do you mean by buoyancy? Buoyancy means the upward force exerted by liquid on an object that is immersed in it is known as buoyancy. Question number 3, why does an object float or sink when placed on the surface of water? Right answer, if the density of an object is more than the density of liquid, then the object would sink. This happens because in this case buoyancy force that is acting on the object due to liquid is less than the force of gravity acting on the object. If the density of object is less than the density of liquid, then it floats on the surface of the liquid. This happens because the buoyancy force acting on the object is greater than the force of gravity. On page number 142, middle question answers. You find your mass to be 42 kg on a weighing machine. Is your more or less than 42 kg? Right answer, on a weighing machine, mass is measured by comparing the weights. So when we weight your body, an upward force act on it which causes machine to show your weight less than the actual weight. Question number 2, you have a bag of cotton and an iron bar, each indicating a mass of 100 kg when measured on a weighing machine. In reality, one is heavier than other. Can you say which one is heavier and why? Right answer, actual weight of an object is equal to the sum of its measured weight and the buoyancy force. The bag of cotton is heavier since it is larger than iron bar. So the buoyant force is larger in case of cotton, hence actual weight of cotton bag is more and it is heavier. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter, middle question answers, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.